Take a ride in the 2019 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, power windows, security system, fog lights, trip computer, compass, remote keyless entry, panic alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.